Welcome back to the channel for today, guys. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. So first of all, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So first and first, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. Remember, you need to know what the trend is. And as you can see right here on our AUDUSD, we are in an uptrend move. So our AUDUSD, our overall trend is an uptrend move. This is it right here. We are trending to the upside. So this is the first high. Here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to give us a new higher high, and this is the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. After the new higher high, guess what market did next? Market eventually did what? Give us an higher low. This is it. This is the higher low. Now the market has given us an higher low. Our next movement on AUDUSD should be a push up that will form a new higher high, thereby taking out this high. So guys, we should be expecting AUDUSD to give us a bullish move for the day. So it should continue that movement. The bullish move will continue to next week. It is able to completely take out this high, thereby forming a new high. So a bullish move is what you should be expecting for the day. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely, yes. There's a possibility that there will be changes to this prediction. But if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once again, we are anticipating for a bullish move for the day on our AUDUSD.